G'day guys, I'm Chris Weston. This is part 3 of the Rush Truck Trophy Truck build. This is Reese, Dad. So Reese and I are going to show you guys on how to put the tube now into the jig table that we've assembled in the first section and the second part. So over here we've got a map. Again, run off of this map and you can't go wrong with this build. This map will tell you what each bar is. So for instance, number 10 we're looking for. You go to the reference table, number 10 is 2133. You go down your pile of tube, this is all 1 3/4 by 120 wall. We're just going to show you one that we've prepared earlier. So say that's the bar here. We bring it over, run up on the bench grinder, give that a bit of a clean up, and you'll get it nice and clean where you're going to weld those two surfaces together. And then you bring it over, and on your mat, it will tell you exactly where to place it. And for instance, this one here is over there, Reese. So we'll run through the floor now on how it goes together. We've actually cleaned up all the tubes, so it just makes it easier and quicker for you guys to watch what we've done. But if you work from the front to the back, it makes it a lot easier because it's such a good fit. All these tubes click in absolutely perfect. Again, run off your map and it'll tell you exactly where each bar goes. We've done this a couple of times, so we do know where these tubes have to go. But to start with, it's just going to help you out. The map's pretty easy to follow. Such a nice fit laser cut. Beautiful. All right, that back bar there. So this back bar, just center it up over this side. Just run your tape off that flat edge there. Come out 163. 163, double check it. Don't want to get 100 itis. 163, and then place these bars in. Bring him up. These back bars that come on the back here, it's about 2 mil. Alright, there's about 2 mil gap there. Just there, we've got a little plug to weld on there. And this will line up that. Absolutely beautiful. So now we've got that in place. You actually start welding from the back forward. Now we know, can you hold that bar down? That's it. We've got this back bar, it's going to give me a little tap. I'm just going to check this bar again. Just so you got it spot on. I know it's the other side, I measured it before. And then when you're tacking, it's good to tack up on top. So if you do have to get the angle grinder in to clean it up, or when you release the frame, it's a lot easier to get your angle grinding blade in. And then just tack all the way through, from the back, all the way forward. And then we're going to get under the, and this little bit here fits in there, a really nice fit. Next thing we're going to do is the bulkhead. So thanks for watching, and then we'll do part 4 where we do the bulkhead.